Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today I'm going to be doing a different video for you guys, which is a full POV driving video of this 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo LP560. And yes, you will note there's still snow on the ground here. It's cold, but it's not that cold that we can't drive this car. So let's give you the full POV and climb on board this Gallardo. Hopefully there wasn't too much wind noise there. Shut that off. And, of course, seatbelt. Put this thing in gear. Take you guys for a little POV drive. I am low on gas, so I'm not going to go too far. But, and this is also, being my first video like this, a little bit of a experiment for me in seeing how this GoPro works and how the audio turns out and things like that. But while we're on board, this is obviously a 2009 Gallardo LP560, which is the facelifted second generation Gallardo, powered by the 5.2 liter V10 engine, 560 horsepower, and I think close to 400 torque. I'm not sure the total number, but somewhere around 400. And yes, TPMS light due to, well, it's a little cold out. I think it's let's see if I can find it in the menu here. Doesn't want to say how cold it is, but I think it's about 2 or 3 degrees Celsius, which is pretty nice compared to how it's been for the last couple weeks. So on the board the Gallardo, we're just in the normal driving mode right now. It does down here have Sport and Corsa, which will change your shift speeds and throttle response and things like that. This one does have an FI exhaust, so it's not going to change any of the exhaust settings. We'll put it in Sport. And of course there is a full automatic mode as well if you don't want to use the paddles. But I personally think driving a car like this and being on board, it's so nice to just be able to do that. We will put it in automatic in a minute and just show you guys how it is, but it's definitely nowhere near as fun and exciting as using the paddles. So I did a driving review video of a Gallardo a few years ago, similar style to this. The audio was terrible, the video wasn't that great, and it wasn't really a POV style. It was more just like me talking while driving the car. But I covered lots of things like the different variations of models, the values, the pricing, what you'd expect to pay, the maintenance, and things like that. This is obviously an Audi derived engine, so maintenance is actually going to be better than you expect or better than you think. But obviously still expect and budget for, you know, things like clutches, brakes, tires, things like that. But it's not a ridiculously expensive car to own like an older Ferrari or something like that. In terms of the pricing, well, pricing's all over the map due to different variations. There's obviously like older original Gallardos, which you might be able to find something under 100 grand right now. Unless you find a gated manual transmission one, which is going to command a huge premium, probably around 50 grand premium. You're going to be paying like 150 for one of those. And then in 2009, it came out with the LP560, which is what we're in right now. Revised styling, power bump, it went up 60 horsepower, revised transmission, a little bit revised interior. You get this Q-Cetera stitching, which you'll see down here and on the seats and that. And these cars, you're not going to find a 560 under, let's say, 150. But nice ones like this are gonna be 170, 180, even 200 grand for some of them. We'll just put this in Corsa now, show you guys some of the differences. It'll be a little bit more aggressive shifting as we exit onto the highway here in a minute. I'll give you guys a little pull. You know, some of the other factors that come into play is like color. You're gonna pay a $10,000 to $20,000 premium for a Skittles color, which I personally think's worth it, but hey, not everybody wants a bright color like that. After the LP560, there's you know, Spider variants, there's Squadra Course variants, there's LP550, which is a rear-wheel drive variant. There's a Performante variant, which is the Superleggera convertible. There's the Superleggera Gen 1 and Gen 2. I've had a couple of those. Those are great cars, but again, expect to pay $200,000-ish for a nice Superleggera. And as we exit onto the highway here, I'll give you guys a little bit of a pull. Downshift into third. Nice little pull up to highway speed. Hopefully the audio and the exhaust is translating on camera for you guys. And you know, this car being an all-wheel drive, like, you can winter drive it. I was gonna get a set of good winter tires and drive this in literal absolute snowstorms with pretty well full confidence, but just been busy, so I haven't really got a chance to do it. But roads are nice, roads are dry, so I figured I'd take it out for a drive and give you guys a test of this POV Drive. I am curious what you guys think of this video, if you guys want to see me do more of them. This is actually something that's really easy for me to film, and I think does well from what I've seen on YouTube. So I was gonna start going through my inventory and doing this just with different cars where I take them out for a short drive like this and try to give you like the full POV drive of, like, you know, getting in, starting up, hearing it, taking it through the gears, and, you know, showing you the inside, showing you the outside. So if you guys do like these videos, please tell me down below. If you don't like them, you can also tell me that down below. But hopefully you like them and share these with your friends and are subscribed to our channel. You know, we're getting closer to 20,000 subscribers now, which I'm very thankful for each and every one of you. But we are getting to 100,000 this year, so that's a big goal of mine, and I am gonna definitely make it happen. So with that, that's a little short POV driving video. First one in this 2009 Gallardo LP560-4. You can check out some other videos on our channel of this car. This was owned by Daily Driven Exotics previously, so I did a delivery video taking delivery of it when I sold my Huracan, and I highly encourage you to check that out as well. We're gonna have some you're gonna get a POV of what it's like to check traffic. Check oncoming traffic in a Gallardo. I will say this is like a little bit distracting having this camera hanging in front of my head. I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. It's kind of funny. I had to jimmy rig it up. I'm so used to seeing like Street Speed 717 do this, which is a YouTuber in I think New Jersey area that I watch, and he's always doing these POV Drive videos. So I thought I'd give one a try myself. But I'll show you guys. You can see here how ridiculous I look with this hat and GoPro on my head. Oh yeah. We'll just put this in automatic. Let's see, auto, like auto Corsa. So now it's in auto, so it'll do the shifting for me, and it's gonna be way more calm, cool, collected, and just easy to drive. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.